everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very easy recipe, my cannellini bean burgers. What are cannellini beans, you ask? Well, pretty easy. They're just white beans. They're actually something that I've really come to enjoy. I found this recipe a couple of years back. It actually calls for black beans, but I substituted cannellini beans and I love it. Really quick and easy. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. So the first thing you need is a little mixing bowl like this. We're going to open up our can of cannellini beans, strain out all of the water, rinse, and pat dry all of the cannellini beans. Mash those cannellini beans. You can use a fork, you can use whatever mashing device you like best. Once the cannellini beans are sufficiently mashed, you're going to want to add the following ingredients: 3/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 large egg lightly beaten, 1 large egg white lightly beaten, or if you have a carton of egg whites like this, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. And then at the end, if you want to add some breadcrumbs, I like to use panko breadcrumbs, about a 1/2 cup of panko. You could even throw in just a little pinch of flour or cornstarch or something that helps coagulate the whole recipe. I'm going to heat my medium pan. You could also use a large pan to about medium high. And then a couple of tablespoons of canola oil, and use your hands to make however size patties you want. Press them out a little bit, put them right in the pan. So as these cook, you can flip them once or twice, just like you would any other burger. So anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes cooking on each side should do the trick. So there you go. That is what the cannellini bean burgers look like. You can serve them on buns. You can put them on top of a salad. There's a lot of different ways that you can make these cannellini bean burgers. You can give it a try yourself. I know I like them. See you next time.